How to allow install unknown apps or install unknown source on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. By default, toggle off all these settings on your device. To enable it, go to Settings app on your device. Scroll down up to Security and Privacy. Tap the Security and Privacy. Now again scroll down in the More Security Settings. In the Additional Security Settings section, tap More Security Settings. Here you can find the Install Unknown Apps. When you enable this option, it will helpful to install the third-party application or install any APK file on your device if you download it from any third-party application or third-party sites. So tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now here you can see the list of supported application you need to allow before install any unknown apps related to this category like Google Chrome, Drive, Galaxy Store. So you can also see source system apps that support it. So whenever you install any APK file or third-party file and install it, you need to allow specific permission to install that app and access this app on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.